Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Monday.com Cloud detailed guide step by step. To invest in Monday.com Cloud, start by researching the company. Visit their official website to understand what services they offer. Explore their financial reports and metrics to assess their growth potential. Next, choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment needs. Create an account with the brokerage if you do not already have one. Verify your identity according to the brokerage's requirements. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Search for Monday.com using its stock symbol, MNDY. Review the stock price and historical performance charts. Analyze any recent news affecting Monday.com's market position. Decide how many shares you would like to purchase. Place a market or limit order based on your investment strategy. Confirm the details of your order before finalizing the purchase. Monitor your investment portfolio regularly to track the performance of Monday.com. Stay updated with industry trends and any new developments about Monday.com. Consider setting price alerts to be informed of significant changes in stock price. Review your investment strategy periodically and adjust as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.